the finds that was key for change in organizations that have used is to ensure that there is people working in an organization that is disabled, or if not, someone committed and working in this area in the organization, and also a budget allocated for such type of work is key for being able to progress.
In terms of disabled artists and disabled artist-led work, I think preparation is key and communication is key. So doing detailed site visits is very useful, either live or you can do them remotely. So I use WhatsApp video, simple as that.
We have to give voice to people who are working in arts and have a disability, so we can speak for ourselves. I think this would be the first thing to understand, and not to be afraid to talk, to ask, and then we can create communication between us, and the lake of knowledge can go down and increase the opportunities and to fill the spaces.
Main ambition of the company is to present exciting and high quality dance performances to as many people as possible, to change perception about what inclusion and disability and diversity can be.
El parc dedicat als més menuts, el parc de Joan Miró, l'hem fet inclusiu. Què vol dir inclusiu? Inclusiu, doncs precisament per a aquests nens, és dedicat als nens perquè jo dic que això molt especial, que poden tenir algun tipus de discapacitat, puguin venir i es trobin amb espectacles inclusius i adaptats de tota mena.
Poses alguna cosa a l'espai públic, encara tens més responsabilitat, no? Perquè estàs traient la gran barrera d'entrar dintre d'un edifici, però sense adonar-te'n a vegades pots crear-ne d'altres. Per tant, crec que hi ha aquí una responsabilitat afegida quan posem obra d'art a l'espai públic i espectacles a l'espai públic.
Jo crec, per la meva experiència, que has d'aprendre a escoltar i a mirar d'una altra manera. Has de reeducar la mirada, tornar a una mirada oberta i tindre la necessitat, com quan eres petit, d'experimentar, canviar de manera de percebre el món.